Want to fix the crew error code 01? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to the race. Let's dive in. First things first, error code 0_1 in the crew typically indicates a problem connecting to Ubisoft's servers, often due to network issues, firewall blocks, or server outages. Now, the easiest fix is to restart your router and modem. Unplug them for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, restart your PC or console. This often clears temporary network glitches. Next, you'll need to check your internet connection for stability and speed. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent communication with game servers. If on Wi-Fi, try connecting to a wired Ethernet cable. You'll also want to check your firewall and antivirus settings. Your security software might be blocking the crew or Ubisoft Connect. Temporarily disable them and try launching the game. If it works, add exceptions for the game. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. These can sometimes interfere with game connections. Also, try flushing your DNS cache. On PC, open command prompt as admin and type ipconfig/flushdns. Finally, check the official Ubisoft server status page for the crew or their social media for any announcements about outages or maintenance. If servers are down, you'll just have to wait. If the problem persists, verify the integrity of your game files. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more The Crew tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.